2. You hear the complaining right in the background? Day 2. Day 2. Complaining.
She wants to shop.
Complaining.
She wants to go all around the world just to find.
He wants to go to the ABC store. We're getting a car. We're getting a car. Hans did a whole bunch of research this morning, and he rented a Turo. So first he did, here, can you tell everybody what you did to rent a car today? Here.
Yeah, I stayed online for over 20 minutes.
All right, where were we before? So we were just talking about renting a car and saving some money. So there's Hans opening up the lockbox for the rental car. There's the instructions. And okay, so I want to finish telling you about the story of booking this Turo car. Turo is definitely, we did a bunch of shopping around, and it's actually very affordable to rent a Turo car. So he woke up, like he was saying, early, went to the gym. I woke up, I did a bunch of emails and work, and I'm gonna get my exercise in on this hike that we're going on. But he went to Enterprise for a day car rental. For today, it was completely sold out. It was like a Starbucks line. There was people lined up to rent a car for the day. Crazy. Then he was able to like get a car for tomorrow, but the car for the day was $200. So I was like, let's just shop around, because our Lyft driver had told us when we were leaving the airport to try renting from either Turo or also Hui, which is another app that people use here in Hawaii for like an hourly car rental. It's like 11 bucks an hour or something. He looked at both. Hui, for some reason, was still coming out per hour more expensive than Turo. So Turo, you can look all around where you are and see different cars that are in your vicinity, and there are different price ranges depending on the type of car. And so he was able to get this rental car. It came out to, like, with tax and whatever fees that they charge, about $65 for today. Then obviously it wasn't like walking, it was like 40 minutes walking distance, which we're not gonna walk for that long. So we took a Uber, which costs about $11, and then with tip and everything, like $15. So all in all, about 80 bucks car rental for the day, which is still a little bit cheaper than if we had rented a car and then did the overnight car parking at our hotel for like $55 plus tax per night. So in Waikiki, it's really expensive to like have a car, park your car, all that stuff. There is free parking. Like, look at where we are right now, tons of free parking all around here, but you have to find it. And especially the closer you are to like Waikiki Beach, everything is going to cost a lot more. So all in all, we're about $80 probably in for the day, and we're probably going to rent a car for a couple more days so we can see the rest of the island. I personally love the North Shore of Oahu a lot better than the Waikiki Beach area. We just happened to stay here because that's where our hotel booking was from way long ago, and he's starting the car now. So we're gonna get in the car and follow us for our hiking adventure. All right, bye, Cinderellas. Furthermore, there's this bar inside the Turo car, rental car, and yeah, so you gotta unlock that as well. And now he's figuring out how to unlock the car. There we go, it's unlocked. We put our stuff back here.
How to unlock a car? How does that sound?
It is true.
I'm not figuring out nothing. I just haven't touched the button.
What about for this thing? Don't you have to figure out how to unlock that?
Unlock what?
This thingy.
What thingy?
This bar.
I am.
Okay.
It says
yeah.
Sensitive.
Exploring my Turo. I was worried about a charger, but they have an iPhone charger. Yes! Because I don't have a C-pin. This thing doesn't have a C-pin, but it has this, so I'm happy about that. Car is nice and clean and neat, and smells good too, right?
It smells like a dog.
Dog? You smell dog?
Yeah, you don't?
No.
Are we doing that drive?
Yeah, this legit gives me, so we were just saying, this legit, like this view with all the homes up on those mountains up there, it gives us like South America vibes. It really, literally, I was in Colombia a couple of years ago, it reminds me of that. We were in Costa Rica together. Reminds us of that, right? What do you think so far of like this whole Turo experience, getting your Turo?
Nice.
Easy, right?
Not really. Nothing
Internet?
easy. No. Life, I understand that, but when the whole purpose of the internet is to make life easy. But these apps, too complicated for their own good.
Gen X.
No. It's supposed to make it easy.
So we're going to this hike trail called Kuiolo. How do you say it? I can't say the Hawaiian name. Okay. Kuiolo Beach Walk. Hike. Something. I brought my bathing suit. Going on the highway now. And it looks nice. It's pretty close to where we are. But I'm excited because the last time I was here in 2020, we drove the entire island, and that's what I'm gonna make this man do right here. We're gonna drive the island. So I'm excited about that. Hopefully this hike is nice, not too long, because I wanna be able to like explore the rest of the island too. So, yeah. Kuiolo Trail. So we're here at the entrance, and the parking is in like a residential area. So you can kind of see, here we are, we're gonna start. I just spoke to someone that just came off the trail, and she said that it was about an hour and a half to the top, and it's super beautiful. So I'm so excited to hike this and see it.
Does this look like the trail?
There's really easy sign. No, it's this way. There's really easy like signs that you can follow right there.
How do you know it's easy? You didn't even read it.
She said it was easy. Mom's eating his chips. Starving. Man is hungry. Hungry. I'll find us a nice place for like lunch and dinner. Being written up. Zoom in on it. But there's a sign there that says the Ridge Trail and the Valley Trail. So we're taking, which one are we taking? What's it called? The Valley Tour. The Valley Trail. We're taking the Valley Trail, and it's supposed to be like even more beautiful than the Ridge Trail because you get to see a really nice scenic view. There is a lot of climbing at the top of the trail. So a lot. Yep. So that's what we're gonna do. So nice.
You know, you should.
When we came here 20 years ago, I couldn't do any of this hiking with him because I was pregnant with Anjali, who's 17. She's gonna be 18 this year. And this is our second time back in Oahu since, when did we come? What year? 2004. So it's been a long time, and I'm so excited that we get to do all these hikes finally together. And this is a really cool one. Huh?
This little thing that we passed without you looking.
Oh.
Noticing, you could have fell and it would have been over.
Whoa.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas?
Yeah.
Would it have been Christmas for you? Maybe.
No.
Maybe.
Definitely not. There's all the paperwork I've got to do.
A lot of paperwork. So you watched a vlog on this hike, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then?
And then what?
Here, so what did they say about this hike?
Oh, they just said that it's like you're going through different climates. Right now it's nice and cool and foresty. Before we went to a nice lush jungle kind of looking.
Feels so nice. Yeah.
And this feels so nice because the wind is blowing and we're feeling good. Here you go. I'm done.
Okay, just turn it off. Okay guys, this is steep right here. To me, that's a little bit scary. We did just walk all that, and it's actually cool right now, but to me,
but it's harder to go up the hill.
It's harder. You can see I'm out of breath. And if you saw my TikTok earlier, or if you saw my TikTok of the get ready with me for this look, you can see it looks like I have nothing on because I literally did a really natural look. Alright. But here we are in the forest. Shortcutting. Do not shortcut. They want to make sure that you don't shortcut the shortcut, because in life, there's no shortcuts. We were just talking about work and life and how with, you know, more risk comes more reward, right?
That's right.
And I think that's what it comes down to at the end of the day. Taking bigger risks, you're gonna definitely have a greater reward. The less risk you take, the less reward. The greater, not as big. All right, guys. There is a resting shack. I've never seen that before, but I'm excited because I want to sit and drink some water. But it's right there. Look at that. The resting shack. Yes. Oh. Welcome to the jungle of Hawaii.
How's the humidity?
Yeah.
From the breeze to what?
I'm like sweating.
From the breeze to what?
Breeze to the
The
heat.
humidity. Here you go.
Oh, there's the stairs.
Here you go.
Let's go. Let me show you the stairs.
Oh
Come
man.
on. Right there.
Today I don't feel like being an Instagram husband. It's too hot.
Yeah. So, but you know what? You watch somebody's vlog, and that's why we're here. And so we got to do the same for them. Look at the view. Wow.
I see this same view when I open up my screen.
Really?
Yeah, on Google, you know how they have that screen?
Yeah? Oh man.
Here you go. There goes the stairs.
There's the stairs.
The stairs to heaven.
Let's go check out these stairs.
Oh,
You wanted to sit at these stairs, huh? You think that's gonna happen?
no.
I don't think so.
Alright, here you go.
Turn it off. So, we thought that we saw the stairs, but I thought, because I haven't seen the vlog, but here's the real stairs. Those are the real stairs, right? They're really steep. Really, really steep. But apparently the view is supposed to be worth it, so let's do this. Whew. I'm taking a break, so here's some of the foliage. Uh-oh, uh-oh. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, guys, make it happen. There you go. Whew. But fix the GoPro too. Tell me on the GoPro because I'm gonna go up fast.
Now go. Such a nice view.
Wow.
We should have brought the towel.
Yes. View from the top is always better. Always better. It was worth it to come up here.
Let's go.
And there's more to go. Just when you think it's like over, it's not over. You have to keep going. Oh, here we are. Actually, it's over. Home stretch, babe.
Home stretch.
Let's go.
Can we zip line down?
Oh,
Oh shit. beach looks nice though.
You could go on the beach right now. So right now we're talking about the journey versus the destination. Here's the destination. The journey took about almost, I don't know, 3 hours to get up here.
Yeah?
I think so.
No
No,
way.
maybe not. An hour to almost an hour and 50 minutes. Almost 2 hours to get up here. It's almost 3 miles up the mountain, and there was like really cool, you know, different parts of the forest that we walked through. But this view and the beach is just simply stunning. But that only lasts, that like invigoration, that excitement lasts for a few seconds. But the journey, which is kind of like what we do in life, right? We're always on that journey, that pursuit of like whatever we're trying to accomplish. And that part is sometimes hard and frustrating, and you know, you want to pull your hair out, and maybe it's like you're not happy throughout most of it, and you're like, when I just get here, I'm gonna be happy, and when I just get here, I'm gonna be happy. But when you get to the happiness, it only lasts for, you know, a few seconds. So really it's about the journey. Huh?
On to the next journey.
On to the next journey. It's always about the journey. So here we are on our journey up this mountain, this trail. It absolutely was worth it. And we're gonna just rest, hang out for a little bit, and then make our way down. If you're in Hawaii, Oahu, make sure you check out the Kuiolo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna, by the end of this vlog, when I do my outro, I'm gonna make sure I get somebody to help me pronounce this correctly. But make sure you check out this trail because it is absolutely beautiful, and I wanna make sure I pay tribute to the Hawaiians and properly pronounce the different names of the different, you know, scenery or different streets or mountains or whatever that are here. So see you in a bit. So we are done with hanging out at the top of the mountain. We're on our way down. We're gonna put this away and we'll see you downstairs, and we'll give you a review of this trail. Well guys, we finished the hike, and I'm gonna do the recap in the car because we are both exhausted. That was, hang on a second, hang on. That was a, let's see. Oh, it's still showing like I'm moving. That was a 6.5 mile hike. We hiked for 3.5 hours, and we climbed 1,600 feet, and we're done. I'm going to end it. Total time, 3 hours, and holy moly, I closed my rings. Almost all of them, except there's some other ones, like, I don't know why they're not closed, but we're gonna find out. So let me get into the car, and I'm gonna give you the full review.